Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1956 Dodge C-Series Custom Regal pickup. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. Completely restored in its original condition. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. 270 cubic inch Poly V8 in this vehicle. 3-speed on the tree. In coral and white two-tone. As you can see, the wide white walls, Kelsey Hayes wire wheels. Just a beautiful vehicle here. As we continue to look at this vehicle, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University, on the corner of 301 and Televast. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those cars are domestic classic cars. The other 20% are luxury, exotic, and or European. But back to this beautiful 56 Dodge V8. Again, I believe they only made this series 2 years, if memory serves. You may want to fact check me on that, but I do believe they made this for 2 years. Just an absolutely beautiful restoration here. If you are interested in this vehicle and you're not in Florida, do not worry, as we do ship all over the world. So if you have shipping needs, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, and we can get you this 56 Dodge anywhere in the world, or any of the other cars we have in inventory. If you have finance needs or you're looking to finance, please visit the website classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have a finance tab, and we do work with several classic car lenders that can get you financing on this beautiful vehicle or any of the others we may have in inventory. Just a beautiful vehicle here. If I'm going too fast with the camera, or there's an angle I miss, or you want to look a little bit better at the vehicle, please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We have over 70 pictures of the vehicle. Open the hood here. Again, it is a little dark, but as I just mentioned, visit our website and you'll be able to see we have the vehicle outside for pictures, and you can see it in much better sunlight. Also have it up on the lift so you can see the underside. Let's go and you can see the fuel cap. Let's go ahead and start this vehicle up. As I mentioned, it is a 3-speed on the tree here. If I can find the right key, we'll be all set. Starts right up. Make sure we're in neutral here. See the odometer, it says 56,561 is what's on the odometer. Again, beautiful white interior matching the white two-tone on the outside. Because of gray vinyl seats. Just a beautiful vehicle here. You can listen to the engine. Sounds great. Again, that Poly V8 270 cubic inch. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle with 3 on the trees. A classic for this era. Just a beautiful vehicle. Does have this single exhaust. Let's see, no water, no fuel coming out, no smoke. Just a beautiful vehicle here. Again, if you are interested, please give us a call. 941-355-1955. Rev it up just a little bit here. Again, just beautiful sounding truck. Runs very well. The paint is in excellent condition. Door shuts very well. Just a classic 1956 Dodge V8 pickup. Just a beautiful Dodge C-Series pickup. Very well done. If you are interested, please give us a call. 941-355-1955 or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you very much.